Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Windows OS on Oracle VirtualBox after installation. Already installed VirtualBox and want to configure your virtual machine properly? This guide is for you. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open VirtualBox and create a new VM. 1. Launch Oracle VirtualBox on your PC. 2. Click New to start creating a new virtual machine. 3. Give it a name, e.g. Windows 10 VM. And choose the OS type. Select Microsoft Windows under Type. Choose Windows 10, 64-bit, or your specific Windows version. Step 2. Allocate RAM to the virtual machine. 1. Use the slider to allocate RAM. For Windows 10 or 11, at least 4 GB, 4096 MB is recommended. If you have more RAM, go with 8 GB or higher for better performance. 2. Click Next. Step 3. Create a virtual hard disk. 1. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now. To click Next and select VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image. Attach the Windows ISO file. 1. Select your newly created VM and click Settings. 2. Go to Storage and click on the empty disk icon. 3. Click Choose a disk file and select your Windows ISO file. Or click OK. Step 5. Adjust VM settings for better performance. Go to System Processor, set at least 2 CPU cores, 4+ recommended. Go to Display Video Memory, increase to 128 MB or more for smooth graphics. Go to Network Adapter 1, enable Bridged Adapter for Internet access. Step 6. Start the virtual machine. 1. Click Start to boot your Windows VM. Two. Follow the Windows installation process as you would on a normal PC. Follow the on-screen instructions, restart your VM, and enjoy. Better graphics resolution, seamless mouse and keyboard integration, clipboard and file sharing between host and VM. And that's it. Now you have a fully working Windows OS inside VirtualBox. If this tutorial helped, smash the like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.